Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Regina from Leelalicious, and today I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot spaghetti and meat sauce. I don't know many people who don't like spaghetti. It's a dinner time favorite enjoyed by families around the world. And today I'm going to show you a really convenient way of making it in the pressure cooker. I'm not claiming this recipe is better than long simmered ragu or bolognese that has been on the stovetop for an hour or two and then you cook the pasta separately, but it definitely wins in the convenience department when you need dinner done quickly, conveniently in one pot, or when you're out camping or for some other reason just have your pressure cooker available. And you can adjust it to your family's needs. You can use regular pasta or whole wheat or gluten-free alternatives, or even protein-rich lentil or chickpea pasta. And this is just one of many tried and true recipe favorites from my Instant Pot e-cookbook. Find the link in the description below. It features all of the best and most popular Instant Pot recipes from my blog Leelalicious, as well as completely new recipes that you will love as well. And included with every single recipe is a detailed video tutorial guiding you through the entire cooking process.
Alright, now let's get into how to make Instant Pot spaghetti. The first thing we're going to do is to prep our aromatics. We need 1 large onion, peel off the outer layer, cut off the ends, and then chop it. Next we need 1 celery stalk, again cut off the ends and then cut into small dice. Do the same thing with 1 carrot. Peel it, cut off the end, and dice finely. And finally we need 3 garlic cloves. Peel them and then finely mince them. Now let's preheat the pressure cooker by pressing the sauté button. Once it's hot, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then add the prepared aromatics: chopped onion, celery, carrot, and garlic. Sauté all of these until they start to soften. Next, add 1 pound of ground beef. You can also use other ground meat like pork, chicken, or turkey, or a mixture of any of these. Let's season the meat while it's browning. Use 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning mix, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Use a spatula or wooden spoon to break up the beef while it is browning into small crumbles. Once the meat is browned, let's add our spaghetti pasta. We need 14 ounces. Break the pasta in half and layer it over the meat in a crisscross pattern. Make sure the layers are very thin and the pasta is spread out. This way all the liquid and steam can get between them while it's cooking and the pasta is not going to clump together. Now pour in 2½ cups of water, 2 cups of beef broth, then 15 ounces or 2 cups of diced tomatoes. You can use canned or fresh, and 32 ounces or 4 cups of crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce. Pour the tomato ingredients on top of the pasta in the center of the pot and do not stir. Try as much as possible to keep the tomato from touching the bottom or the sides to prevent the dreaded burn notice. And now on top add 2 bay leaves and a small bunch of fresh basil. Close the pressure cooker lid and turn the pressure valve to sealing position. Set the Instant Pot to cook on high pressure for 6 minutes or 7 minutes at high altitude. Gluten-free pasta only needs 3 to 4 minutes. When the cook time is up, let the Instant Pot cool down for a minute and then quick release all of the built-up pressure. Use tongs to remove the bay leaves and basil bunch, and then stir everything to combine. At first it will seem like there's way too much sauce, it's too liquidy, but it will just take a minute or two and the pasta will absorb a lot of the liquid. And it will look like a perfect pasta to sauce ratio. Now give it a quick taste test and adjust salt and pepper or other seasoning as needed, and then serve with grated Parmesan and chopped fresh basil. You can add the grated Parmesan and chopped basil right in the pot, or wait to add it on each serving once plated.
Now look at this beautiful bowl of spaghetti and meat sauce. It comes together quick and easily, perfect for weeknight dinners, and it's always a hit in our family when I serve this. Let's give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and cooking along with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Check out my Instant Pot e-cookbook. Leave me a comment letting me know if you cook this recipe and what your family thinks. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.